So students, we are starting today the scatter chart. Okay, how to plot the scatter chart that we will see in the coming videos. Okay, in the coming session or in the programs. For this, we have taken a program for you. Okay, to plot a scatter chart for height versus weight. It will be just a minute. The height, so weight of the students, and using the color and marker value. This is one program, and another program is that just to form the scatter chart of the scatter chart with bare format, with bare formatting. That is this is the one. Okay, so these two programs we will see today, that, and I will explain you that how to draw the scatter chart. First of all, let us see first how scatter chart can be drawn and what is a scatter chart. A scatter chart is a two-dimensional data visualization that uses dots to represent the value obtained for different variables. Say for example, if I am executing this program, you see out here how this is appearing. Okay, this is appearing. So what is happening? One plotted along the x-axis and another is plotted along the y-axis. So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. This plot has been made. All right, so the thing is that now how we will do it, this data visualization is done as a collection of points not connected by lines. Remember, not connected by lines, this is important. Each of them has its coordinates determined by the value of the variables. One variable determines the x position and another variable determines the y position, x position and y position. All right, that is the thing. So if you take over here this point, then you can see easily that its coordinates and all, and this one you can bringing out here, you can easily understand its coordinates, that is 74 and something like 114 point something. Okay, as you can see out here, points are over here, you can see 74 and 113.7. so each plot, if you place your mouse pointer, you will be able to understand. Now let us see about the comments and all used over here. Now to plot height versus weight, it will be just a minute, weight of the students. Okay, so as usual, import matplotlib and .pyplot as plt, and two lists have been taken. One contains the values of weight and another contains the height. Okay, and then simply the scatter function has been used out here in order to plot the scatter chart. Then plt.x level, that is giving the weight, and y level has been given the height of the scatter chart, and this is the title of the scatter chart. And here we have used another attribute, that is font size 20, means it will increase the size of the font by 20 pixel into the title of the scatter chart. So that's what the points are being plotted out here. Okay, so you see out here when I'm executing this module, okay, how it is being appearing. All right, so this is just a simple scatter chart that we have made out here with the round shape, because the shapes have been taken by default. Okay, the scatter chart height versus weight of the students, and this is the x level and this is the y axis level, and this is the font size 20, that title. All right, so the thing is that now what is happening here as compared to this and all, this particular chart, what could we see is, this particular chart is, if you are keeping your mouse pointer, then you will be able to understand the points and all. Here it is, how much it is showing, 66 and 169.665, exactly equal place. Then the value from the chart you will be able to see easily. So with which point, with which what has been drawn. This is the, I think the first point, I think this is coming as this is the second point, and this is 167 and somewhere around over here, 167 somewhere here it will be. You can easily locate out here, somehow here it will be 167, yes, 78.9819, and you have to place the mouse pointer accurately in order to get the correct the coordinate that you have chosen over there. So in this way a scatter chart can be drawn. All right, so the thing is that this scatter chart can be drawn in little bit decorative way. So we will see that particular thing in our next program. All right, now the next another program, rather practical implementation we will see. So what is happening in the previous plot, the scatter chart is simple and displayed as per the default settings. Now we can decorate the chart by using some of the following, some of the keyword arguments we can see out here. In that one is there, that is called S. S means what? S means the size of the markers in the pixel. Marker means the small plots that you can see on the scatter chart is known as marker, and marker type is D and color is G. C is the for the color attribute. G means the green color, red color, blue color, whatever. You can give the first letter, you can give the whole color name whatsoever. And here it is marker D. D means diamond. So there are different marker values are available, like such as S for square, O for circle, and then caret sign is there for the triangle up, V is there for triangle down, greater than sign for the triangle right, and triangle left, and D for diamond, P for pentagon, H for hexagon, H for octagon, star for plus sign for plus, and X for cross. Now here we have taken the shape as diamond, okay, and this we have taken for at least 200 pixels. So right now the C marker sign, diamond as marker sign, and now we are executing this program. You see out here how these things have been changed, how these things have been appearing out here. The color is green, that is of 120 size, okay, font size 120. The same plot has been made, but here the extra that thing has been used. You can see we have used the font size attribute with the weight also and with the height also, and this is the size. Now another shape if you are making in this way, then how it looks like, you see. Apart from the diamond, suppose if I want to make it as pentagon, so what I will do, I will give here P, okay, I will give here P, and I'm keeping the color here blue, okay, B for blue. All right, now run, and what you see, the shape of the marker will be changed. These are called marker value, okay. So whatever plots are there, now you see it has been changed into pentagon and the color is appearing blue. All right, so in this way, by using the different shapes of the marker, okay, you can decorate your scatter chart and whenever you like. And here it is actually the values will be plotted along the x-axis and the other will plot along the y-axis. So this has been done to remember that it will not be connected by line, instead it will be plotted by the points. You can see out here, you can check the mouse pointer, the coordinate in the status bar, okay, and afterwards you can save by using save the figure button over here. That is also possible, and you can take it anywhere, this particular image, after the creation. After its creation, you can attach it anywhere. All right, so that's what the thing is happening out here, okay. So other one, if you want to see, say if I want to check it with plus sign, I can give plus sign out here, not plus sign, sorry, say I will do with I will do it blue. I'll do it blue, and I will do it what do you call plus sign, and I'm making out here not blue, okay, I'm making out here yellow, white. All right, then I'm executing this program. You see that how the scatter chart is appearing. So what we have used out here, we have used the three attributes. See, the scatter chart has appeared with the plus sign. So what we have used out here, you can see in this particular program, apart from the previous one, so we have used the attribute C for the color, marker for the shape of the points that is to be appearing in the scatter chart. That is what the marker is saying, and S is actually the size of the markers that will be defined pixel into pixel. So as much as the pixel value will be, that much bigger will be the marker marker symbol. You can see. So what are the things? A, C, and marker we have learned, and we have learned font size also, how it is to be used with the X level, Y level, and the title. All right. So the thing is that S for the size of the marker, C for the color of the marker, and marker specifies the shape of the points that will be plotted in the scatter chart. So kindly implement these things in practical and learn how to draw a scatter chart. Thank you.